Probably easier going straight across.
Go straight.
Got that median all the way down. So the River Mountain Loop parking back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all along the loop, but you just have to look on the map to see where we're at.
Uh-huh.
I think there's actual site for it so you can look at it. The frame titanium?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
And like,
That's what he's looking at to buy on the frame.
they just look good. And the carbon fiber is supposedly for like racing and better.
Yeah.
I'm not a pro. Well, thank you
Sure.
for waiting. Sorry, it took you a little long this morning.
Oh, yeah. Everybody's got it here.
I gotta say that's the earliest I ever rode.
Yeah, I checked the emails this morning. It's like, well, let's see if anybody bowed out. A lot of people would take off at the end there.
It's like,
Maybe. It's like, come on, you can do it.